Which one? You want tequila mix. What's the other one? They're both margarita mixes, Tom Tom. Tom Tom. That's not the one you want. Find something else. Find something different. No. Find something different. Tommy, pick something different. No, you can't have that. No, find something different. Find one. Show Daddy which one. No, not that one. No, you already had that one. You already had one. No. It's too much sugar. What is that? Is that your strawberry milk? You done with it? All right, we'll drink it. Don't spill it. Let me have it if you're done. All right, good boy. Anything else, or are you done?